माय चैनल मी फ्लाइंग बर्ड। सो जैसा कि आप सबको पता चल ही गया होगा कवर फोटो देख के कि इस वीडियो में आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं। सो यस यू आर राइट, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू यूज द स्कार्फ्स एज द हेयर एक्सेसरी। सो बेसिकली दिस डेज जब भी हम बाहर निकल रहे हैं तो हेयर कवर करना पड़ रहा है, हमें मास्क पहनना पड़ रहा है, तो इसी के चलते मैंने इन दिनों काफी ज्यादा स्कार्फ्स को लेके एक्सप्लोर किया है। तो एंड आई फाउंड आउट really cute ways to use this scarf, so I thought why not to share with you guys as well. So this video is all about that only. I'm going to use this scarf, a variety type of shapes and colors. The shapes are all different, so I'm going to use this scarf as a hair accessories, and you people will love this video. So please make sure to watch the video till the end, because this video is going to help you definitely, I'm sure. So yeah, let's begin. So first I'm going to show you the shapes of the scarf. Like this is a long scarf, as you can see it's a very cute print, all over flamingo print scarf. And it's not necessary guys to use only the bright color scarf. Sorry, you can even use a light color. Like you can see this is a very light color scarf. It's a light or sea green color scarf. So this one is the first. Then I have picked up, this is a square shaped all over polka dot scarf. I have picked up the another scarf. This is a small one. Again, it's a square shaped small scarf. And here guys, you can even use the big scarves also, the big shape one also. But here I'm not using it because जो बड़े बड़े scarves होते हैं उसको काफी फोल्ड करना पड़ता है, तो मे बी वो आपके सर पे काफी बल्कि लग सकता है. So first I'm gonna tie my hair. Just make a messy bun. So yeah, it's look perfect now. So first आपको क्या करनी है, जो इसके दोनों कॉर्नर हैं आप उसको ज्वाइन कर लीजिए लाइक दिस वे. ज्वाइन करके आपके बैक साइड पे ये जो स्कार्फ है इसका जो कॉर्नर पोर्शन है इसे आपको ऊपर रखनी है. आप जो नीचे का जो पोर्शन है, जो फोल्डेड पोर्शन है, उसको नीचे रखिए. आप इसको टाई कर दीजिए. मेक श्योर कि आपके जो एयर है वो हाफ कवर्ड होनी चाहिए. जो भी एक्स्ट्रा, अगर कुछ भी स्कार्फ का कोई भी एक्स्ट्रा पार्ट रह जाता है तो आप उसको टक कर लीजिए अंदर. एंड इट्स डन एंड इट लुक्स सुपर क्यूट. So guys, it's the time for the second pattern. So for the second pattern I'll be using the long pattern scarf. So I have two scarves of the same size and shape. So this one and this one both are of the same size and shape. So I'll be using this scarf, the pink one. I think it will look more good with the head top which I am wearing right now. So first of all, for this pattern you have to take the two corners of the scarf, then fold it. आपको सबसे पहले जो स्कार्फ है फोल्ड करने के बाद आप इसको इस तरह से ले लीजिए. जो मिडिल पोर्शन है उसको आपको नेक पे रखनी है. देन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू ब्रिंग द स्कार्फ बोथ apart like this way. Then nothing is very easy. You have to twist it twice or thrice. Bring it back and just gonna keep it like this way, or you can just throw the rest of the part on your back side, and it's the perfect boho styling. So if you're a fan of boho styling, you can definitely go for it. It looks super good. Okay, so now time for the third pattern. So for the third pattern I'm gonna use the square shaped scarf. So I have picked up this scarf. This is completely a square shaped scarf. So first I'm gonna take the two corner of the scarf and you have to make a triangle out of it. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to place the scarf on my hair like this.
Now what you're going to do is to keep the triangle shaped scarf on your head, then bring back both the end and tie the knot on the top of it. Make sure triangle end नीचे की तरफ ही रहे. Then fold the triangle end and try to cover the knots which you have made. Bring back both the ends now and make a flower or bow out of it. And it's done. You can do the side parting or the middle parting, whatever you want to do, which suits your face, but make sure the head should be tied up completely. And if you find it a bit messy, bring out few hair strands, which will add more glamour to your look. Just try it at home. It looks very stylish.
Okay, so बीच में मैं थोड़ी सी चाय भी पी ली. It's the time for the fourth pattern. So fourth pattern is very simple and super easy. So for the fourth pattern, I'm going to keep my hair down. So for the fourth pattern, I'm going to take again the long scarf like this one. This is try to take the cotton scarves. It will be like more good to make the knot. So long scarf को आप लीजिए, again दो end को पकड़िए and just उसको आप twist कीजिए like this way. Just bring the scarf beneath your hair. Like the previous pattern में मैंने आपको दिखाया था यहाँ में twist करना है. Same way, just bring it to one of your side and twist it here. अब आपको जो करनी है, आप इसको एक राउंड बना लीजिए. राउंड बना के जो लास्ट एंड है, you have to tuck it. Look at this, it looks so cute. So now is the time for the fifth pattern. So fifth pattern is also very easy. और fifth pattern आप सबने पहले भी देख चुके हैं. जो fifth pattern है वो ये वाली pattern है. So let's go for it now. So again I'll be using the same scarf which I have used here. So जो आपको करनी है सबसे पहले वो ये है, आप again जो दो end को है उसको आप मिला लीजिए. Make it a triangle. Make it a triangle and then what you have to do, you have to roll it. So for this pattern, it's better to keep your hair down again. Take the scarf beneath your hair again. Bring the scarf to one of the side. Now try to make a flower here and keep the rest of the scarf like this way. Bring the hair to the side where the scarves are, and it also helps to cover your hairs from the UV rays. So guys, now is the time for the last pattern. So now the last pattern is super fashionable. So let's go for it now. So for the last pattern, again I'll be using this scarf, the long one. So what I have to do, I have to fold it from the end. Put the scarf here and you have to bring both the end of the scarf on one side. Twist it. Bring your hairs to one side. Now all you have to do, you have to make a braid and keep the rest of the scarf like this way. So मेरी जो braid है वो काफी clean नहीं हुई है because of my hair cut. मेरे hair cut जो है वो काफी uneven है, पर आप जब बनाए तो आप make sure कि आप जो braid है वो बहुत ही clean बनाइए. So I hope you guys have liked the video. मुझे sure पता है आप सब ये सारे patterns को try करेंगे. Try कीजिए and comment section में लिखना बिल्कुल भी मत भूलिएगा कि आपको कौन सा पैटर्न जो है वो सबसे ज्यादा फैशनेबल लगा, क्यूट लगा, whatever. आप प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा आपका व्यू जानकर. Again I'm saying please subscribe my channel. Please do subscribe my channel. It will really motivate me to make more such good videos. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.